Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to add music to a Facebook post. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Facebook app. Then tap right here at the top where it says what's on your mind to start creating a post. Then you can type in here some text, you can add also some media, let it be that picture, and then if you want to add a music or song to that post, all you have to do is right here tap on edit. And after that you should tap right here at that music icon, and on that step you have to choose any song that you want to add to that post. You can hit at that play button to listen to that music, and also you can search right here using that search box. You can search by the exact music name, or by artist, or by album, or you can go through all the different categories, and once you have selected a music you can just tap on it to add it to your post. Then you can tap on that music, and first in that way you can select the lyrics, the layout for that music, and also you can simply by dragging this bar, this audio row, select the exact part of that song that you want to use in your post, and once you selected it you can just hit on done, and now you can continue editing that post. You can crop it, you can add there some stickers or a text, or you can draw here something, and once you finished with that you can hit on next, and then you can hit on post to share that post with your followers. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.